Hola, hola, mi gente. What's up? I hope you guys are doing great and amazing. So I kind of wanted you guys to join me today because I'm gonna share a little secret. So a lot of the times when I find myself not having time to create large pieces of work, but in order to stay active, I create a lot of my things on the go. I actually do better on my mobile than I do with a computer. I have tried, just kind of creating files with Adobe and all of that stuff. And although I kind of do a little bit here and there, I'll be honest, I don't have the patience for it sometimes, especially when I have a lot going on. So I wanted to show you how I create a simple sticker or sticker pack for RedBubble from start to finish. So here I am at work during downtime because we didn't have any patients scheduled for at least an hour. And so I pulled out my sketchbook and the acrylic markers that I normally carry with me and decided to create some cute little mangoes. So join me and I'll show you how I complete all of this with my iPhone. Now, I'll be honest, I do sometimes like stickers or pictures that are not necessarily perfect. When I want some of my stickers, I want them to look like somebody actually drew them. So I am not too concerned as far as like creating super duper clean lines when it comes to this process. Now, I know some people are a little bit more perfectionist, so I guess in that case, I would just go ahead and make sure to outline it so that when you go to the process of deleting the background, it will be a little bit cleaner. But again, that's all more of what you like. I kind of like little doodles and I enjoy them. I enjoy stickers that kind of look like somebody drew them and gave them to me. Now, just a side note, for Mother's Day, I actually gave my mother the same sketchbook because she does like to draw as well. And we challenged ourselves that we are going to complete the sketchbook by the end of the year 2021. So that's about 6 months roughly. And this is the first one in this book. So hopefully by the end of the year, I'll have a sketchbook tour to do with you guys. Hold me to it. We will see. All right, so I felt like that took forever, but I'm finally done with the sketch. Now I'm just simply taking a picture with my iPhone, a regular picture, and then I am cropping and editing the colors. I'm not concerned about the cut, how white the white is, because the background is going to be erased. I'm just more concerned about the vibrancy of the fruit itself, of the drawing itself. Now to delete the background, I use an app called Eraser. I will try to see if I can link this or, put it on the description. I'm not sure if I can, but I will try. And here I just went ahead and deleted the white background, as well as trying to clean it up manually a little bit as much as possible. Again, I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to this part. I like my stickers to look like they're doodles and drawings. So I just do what, as much as I'm satisfied, and then I am done with this portion. So who has not heard of Pic Collage? I think everybody has heard Pic Collage at some point. And although I'm sure there's other different kinds of applications, this is the one that I've used for years. And so I am loyal to it. Here, what I'm doing is actually separating each individual element so that I can create one image of it, center it, and do the same as far as erasing the background, creating it into a PNG file so that I can create individual stickers. Okay, so usually if I sketch something that I want to create patterns for it or anything like that, I send it over to my computer, so like that I can resize it there and send it to, whatever I need to do. But for the purposes of stickers, I use an app called Image Size, where I can actually increase the size of the file by pixels. So I think this app is the max is like 8,000 pixels, but I don't need that. And I'll be honest, when I go that size, for some reason it glitches, but I'm not sure if it's on the RedBubble side or this app. So for the purpose of the stickers, the minimum is 600 by 800 pixels for small and 2800 by 2800 for extra large. So I will go ahead and do the 2800, especially when it comes to the sticker packs. Now, it is a free app, so you do have to deal with the annoying ads. If you don't want to deal with it, you do have the option to purchase like any other app, but I am not. I don't really use it that much. So anyways, here I go now. I went into my Safari and I'm going into RedBubble to upload my file. So first I start by doing the individual sticker. And you can see this here. Basically, I turn everything off and just keep the sticker option open. But I'll also show you a little bit later in the video how to create the sticker pack that people say they create on RedBubble. So as you can see, I disabled all of the other items because for this one, I just want to do the sticker. I'm actually going to see if I can send this file out to create a pattern because I don't want to do that part myself. So sometimes I just rather pay. But for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and create the individual sticker. All right, so if you have never purchased stickers from RedBubble, you may not realize that they come in these sheets. Even when you order a single sticker, you'll get these sheets. And so people, what they do is they know this and they create a sticker pack. But you're technically just uploading it as one file. And so I'm back on Pic Collage here. I'm just going to kind of create a sheet. And you will actually see that I have to go back and fix it. I'll point it out when I do because the stickers, the images, I put them too close together. And so it kind of recognizes it as one image, and so like I said, I'll point it out. So let me tell you what I did here, which I kind of messed up on. So normally if I create multiple individual stickers, I just use the option to copy the settings and do it that way. But for this one, it didn't quite work out because I forgot that the file is larger. So I had to go back anyways and just do it like a new upload. Now I'm also going to now pay attention to the stickers and see if any of the stickers look like they kind of meshed them together. And so you'll see that here I did that. Some of them I have to actually go back to the file, kind of play with the placing of them, separate them, so like that when they are printed, they actually are printed as individual items and not kind of mash everything together. Alright guys, so this is what the end result looked like for the sticker pack, and I hope you guys enjoyed and got something out of this video. And if you have not done so yet, please subscribe, please like, because that helps me out so much. Again, thank you for visiting me. I'll see you guys next time.